This brief video will demonstrate how the BrakeSafe logger can identify defects or issues with the braking system. Of course, when you apply and release the brakes, the logger can indicate brakes that are in or out of adjustment. When the arrow indicator rests between the goalposts, the brake is in adjustment. And beyond the goalposts, out of adjustment. BrakeSafe logger can show a brake that has failed to activate. With a 90 to 100 psi service brake application, if the clevis pin has not moved, then the brake has failed to activate. Maintenance can now investigate why the push rod has failed to move. This could be the result of a number of defects, including a kinked or breached airline, a blocked valve, or a leaking diaphragm. BrakeSafe logger will identify a brake that has failed to release, what is commonly referred to as a hung brake. Apply and release the service brake, and in this situation, the clevis pin will remain stationary, and the push rod will not retract into the brake chamber. This can be the result of a weak return spring, loss of air pressure to the brake chamber, a binding linkage, or seized brake adjuster, or an obstruction blocking the retraction of the push rod. Let's talk about the parking brake. A weak or broken parking brake spring is usually very difficult to find unless you are specifically looking for it. However, with BrakeSafe logger, it is easily spotted. A normal spring brake application will move the clevis pin to the midpoint of the goalpost. A weak spring will only move the clevis pin a very short distance. A broken parking brake spring will not move the clevis pin from its start position. BrakeSafe logger will also indicate the possibility of a brake adjuster malfunction or incorrect setup. If a brake chamber is continuously going out of adjustment after maintenance has readjusted the brakes, there is a problem with the automatic adjuster. Brakes equipped with automatic brake adjusters should not constantly show an out of adjustment condition when properly corrected. Maintenance needs to look for a more serious underlying problem with the automatic brake adjuster, which may include incorrect setup or defective and seized parts. To sum up, BrakeSafe logger is a reliable, easy-to-use system that will increase your equipment safety and alert you to brake issues before they become costly repairs. BrakeSafe logger's diagnostic capabilities will save you time and money.